Today, we're going to learn how to create a website or a web page with Google Sites. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Google browser, type in the search box Google Sites. When you're done, hit enter button and it loads up. So you see the first link, Google Site sign in. Just click on that. So Google Site is loaded. With this, you can create a simple landing page for anything you want for your business. There are some templates right here. Like you can see, we have parent again, just for a landing page, just for your business or for any simple web page you like to. All right, so I'm going to click on plus a blank one so that I can show you how to achieve everything from scratch. Once you click on the blank site, you're going to have this look. So this is like your building page, your building where you get to drag and drop. Now, the first thing you want to do, this is like the banner. So normally you want to drop a welcome message here, say hello. You could just say welcome to this way. I'm going to say foodies sites. So it's just going to be about food. That's what we're going to use as a case study. Now, the next thing you want to do is give it a logo. If you have a logo or you just want to put the name of your site, usually it should be up. I'm going to say Lakes Foodie. Lakes Foodie. All right, I kind of love food. So now, next thing you want to do is the background. You just want to look at the background of the banner and kind of change it. I'm going to drop down the image. Google gives us the opportunity to select our own from the pre-loaded picture, Google's picture you use to select. If you want to upload your own favorite picture, you can do that by clicking on the upload button. Well, I'm just going to go with Google image because I don't have a picture. It's just for the learning sake. Click on select. The good thing about this is that you can actually use the Google search. You can actually get a picture from a URL, search and paste your URL if you have a picture of any food or any stuff you would like to use. We can also go over to Google Images and then we search. I'm going to search for food pictures on the side. So it's going to present me with some nice and lovely pictures, food pictures. So I'm just going to look around and click one that I would like, that I love. Okay, I think I love this. I love this. I'm just going to select this, insert. All right, that is so perfect for me. That is so perfect. So I love the way I can also change the banner. I'm just going to leave this way. All right, that's it. So I'm done with like the banner. When it loads up, I want to say welcome to the foodies site. I'm just going to say welcome to Lakes Foodie site. Or just say Lakes Foodie. We all know it's a site. So you can drag if you want it to spread across the page like this. You can drag and then you can also change the color of the text. I like this. You can decide to make it bolder. You click on bold, makes it bold. You can change the font. If you have a particular font style, you can decide to use that. It's all easy peasy. Right, we can do this. So we are inserting pictures already. Welcome to Lakes Foodies. Next, I want to do is add some images of the type of food. So over here, where you get to see the content blocks, all of these are what you can add. So I'm just going to add the first one and add about my page where others can click to learn. I'm just going to say about Lakes Foodie. So I'm just going to write a bit of text down here. I love to cook so well, and I decided to have a cooking site, or let's just say a food site. You can add more details if I want, but so right here, Google gives us the opportunity to add videos. So you want to add anything, you can click the picture. You can add images, you can add a YouTube link of yours. Maybe you have a video on your YouTube page. Of course, I'm going to add my video, but that's about coding all, by the way. But I can look for any foodies picture. I can search for foodies. If I have any foodie on YouTube link, it's going to give me, yeah, yummy, tasty, and more of that. So I'm just going to pick up one of them. Since we're talking about food, I'm just going to click on one of them, but note that these are not my content. So you should always ensure that you use your content, or you get an approval to use someone's content on your page. So what I'm going to do right here, I'm just going to use my content. I'm going to check code with Leaky. So I'm just going to use this. I'm going to insert one of my videos so you can actually see that you can insert a video. All right, so the video is right here. So that's set and done. From here, you can easily play the video, but that is after we're done with the designing and publish. So the next thing, I can decide to add more items. I'm just going to click on this, drop down here, and I'm going to add pictures of all types of food. Let's make this a picture this time around. So I'm just going to go to select images. I'll go to Google, and then this time around, I'm going to search for Google, check Google images, and then I'm going to type, let's just search for fried rice and chicken. It's one of my favorite. So fried rice and chicken popped up. So I'm just going to click on one that looks yummy that I can tell. I think this looks, no, this is not a fried rice. At least this is not the African fried rice that I know of. So I'm going to select this image, insert that. Yeah, there we have it on our side. So easy. So I'm just going to call this leeks fried rice and chicken. This is not mine, so I won't call it leaks because I'm just using a picture online. It's not really my picture. I didn't take it, so I'll leave it that way. All right, so the next thing, you want to select pictures all around, select images. So Google image, I'm going to search for beans, or let's just search for yam and, sorry, let's search for yam and egg. Nice yam, nice looking yam and egg sauce. So I'm just going to select this. Yeah, yam and egg. Cool. I'm going to add this also, select image. So we can just make this select, I'm going to call this, let's say, amala and veggie. All right, so I'm going to click the first one. Yeah, amala and veggie. So that's it. You can add all of these. And the next thing you want to do is maybe add some footer. You can add a footer down here. You see the button right at the top. Click on footer. You can add copyright, leakage, food. You can centralize the text by clicking on this. Select central. Centralize the text for you. You can add even emojis. You can add icons if you want. I'm just going to add this. Okay, let me just search for something. Food. All right, so let's just get this and drop down there. Fine. So beneath, I can even add text box in the, just click on text, drag some text box here. My address, you could put your address here. You can add one more and put your what, phone number, contact number. So you can put all of that there. Remember, I said you can also centralize. Centralize by clicking these, take it to the center, centralize these also, put it in the center. So everything pretty set and done. So let me see the site you're going to create, and we can give ourselves a pat on the back. So once you're done creating your site, the next thing you want to do is click on the publish. But before you, okay, let's click on publish. It's going to ask me. So it's going to call it Lakes Foodie, double S. So I'm just going to take out one and just leave it as Lakes Foodie and link on it. So this will be the site link. I'm going to copy this down, and then copy it and paste on another browser. But I won't hit enter yet. I just want to click on anyone can manage, who can view the sites, anyone. Make sure you select anyone. Don't limit it, don't restrict the site link so others can see. Make sure your site is public, don't restrict. All right, select public, don't restrict, select public. All right, done. All right, when you're done, click on publish. Good, my site is ready. On a single click, when I hit enter, I'm going to see, oh, come on. Okay, let me preview my publish site from here. View publish site. All right, so this is the site loading up from here. So I'm going to click on this is the link, Control C. Let's paste that in here, Control V, and then let's hit enter. Yeah, tada, our site is ready. So this is how you create a simple page website. You have pictures, you have videos, you can play the videos, your YouTube video on. Yeah, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I would love you to create your own website and kind of like share with me. Thank you very much.